So guys, right here, this is a Sengleg Smart Light Strip. Now this thing does require a hub, but as you can see, I don't use it with a hub because you can actually use it with just this built-in manual controller. You don't get the full functionality, but you can definitely turn it on and off with a single click. Or if you want to hold this button, it can cycle through the different colors. And if you decide you like a color, you can just let go. For example, I like this color, I let go. Now it stays in this color. I can turn it off. I can turn it back on. It remembers the color. If I want a different color, let's go and cycle again. Hold this and I cycle through. Let's say I like the red again. So here, I like the red because red's my theme, right? I like red. So I can use this without the hub, just using this controller right here if I wanted to. I don't get the full flexibility, but it still works, right? I can leave it at a certain color. I can turn it on and I can turn it off with a single button, turn it back on, and it remembers the color. So it can work just as simple as that. Again, this is a Sengleg Smart Light Strip. And if you need a longer length, you can extend the length by using one of these right here. This is a light strip extension. The extension gives you another 3.3 feet of light. So let me show you the extension right here. This is the extension. And the extension is so easy to install. Basically, if you look very carefully right here, this is the end of the light strip that has power right now. We're gonna extend this another 3.3 feet right here. Remove the cap and carefully connect the two just like that, and ta-da! You see, we just extended our light strip. Pretty cool, right? So this is why I love about Sengled LED light strips. They're so easy to use and they look awesome. Sengled LED Smart Light Strip. Boom! There you have it.